Every time you plug in a USB cable, something invisible happens instantly. Your computer immediately recognizes the device, almost like it already knows what it is. But how does it actually do that? And how does a simple cable transfer both power and data at the same time? Let's find out. Today, we're breaking down how USB actually works. No complicated jargon, no technical overload, just simple explanations, step by step. First, what exactly is USB? USB stands for Universal Serial Bus, but that name doesn't really explain much about what it does. So let's slow it down. Think of USB as a communication bridge, a bridge between your device and your computer. Its main job is simple. It connects devices and allows them to communicate. That could be many different things: a mouse, a keyboard, a phone, a printer, or even a flash drive, and each one behaves differently. But USB handles all of them through the same connection. Whenever you connect a device like this, USB doesn't just plug it in. It starts a process, a communication process. Now think of your computer like a brain, and USB devices like tools connected to that brain. Each tool has a different purpose, but the brain needs to understand what each tool is. So the moment you plug in a USB device, something very important happens. The device sends a signal, not a visible signal, an electrical one. The computer receives that signal immediately. It doesn't wait, it doesn't guess, it reacts instantly. First, it detects that something new has been connected. Then it identifies what type of device it is. And finally, it prepares to communicate with it. And here's the interesting part. All of this happens in milliseconds, so fast that by the time you notice anything on screen, the process is already complete. Now let's go inside the USB cable itself. At first glance, it looks like just one simple wire. But inside, it's more complex. There are actually multiple tiny wires running through it. Each of these wires has a specific job. Some are responsible for power, others are responsible for data. And this is where USB becomes powerful, because it does both at the same time. It delivers electrical power and it transfers information simultaneously through a single cable. That's why one USB cable can do so many things. It can charge your phone, it can transfer files, and it can connect devices like keyboards or controllers, all at once. But USB didn't stay the same forever. It evolved over time, and each version became more powerful than the last. Older USB versions were slower. They were mainly used for simple devices, like keyboards and mice. But newer versions changed everything. USB 3.0 and beyond became significantly faster. They can transfer large files in just seconds, instead of minutes. And then came USB-C. USB-C is the modern standard, and it improved almost everything. It is faster, more powerful, and much more flexible. One of its biggest advantages is its design. You can plug it in either way. There is no upside or downside anymore. But let's go back to what happens when you plug in a USB device, step by step. First, the computer detects a new device. Then it asks a simple question: what are you? The device responds with information about itself, what it is and what it needs. The computer reads that information, then it loads the correct driver, or uses one already installed in the system. Once that is done, communication begins, and everything starts working. This entire process is called device recognition, and it's the reason USB feels so effortless, so automatic, so instant. But sometimes, things don't go smoothly. You plug in a device, and nothing happens. So why does that happen? There are a few common reasons. Sometimes the cable is damaged, sometimes the device is not supported, and sometimes the computer is missing a driver. So even though USB feels simple on the surface, there is still software working behind the scenes, constantly. So why did USB become the global standard? Because it solves many problems at once. It's simple, it's reliable, it's flexible, and it works with almost every device. That combination is why it became universal. So in simple terms, USB is a communication system. It connects devices, it transfers data, it delivers power, and it allows everything to work together instantly, all through a small cable. And that's how USB actually works.